Okay, so I think this is the fit today. I think I like it better with the like sock over the knee sock. Hey, update. So I got back from church. I just got pictures for a thumbnail because I didn't get one. The way I do my thumbnails now is I just try to make them look as aesthetic as possible. What I did just now for the video that probably already came out by now, which was my collective haul from Urban Outfitter, Princess Polly, and Target. I just took some pictures for the thumbnail. Here's some of the pictures I took. And then I tried to get some with like my feet and then the shopping bag. So I wish I like recorded it, but I forgot to turn the camera on because like you should see me like I was down there with my tripod, legs in the air, trying to get the picture, and I'm like, nah, I need to go a little more to the right, a little more to the left. Okay, turn your feet this way. Like it was crazy. It was like I was the director and the actor all at the same time. Today's Sunday. Welcome back to the vlog, and shoot, come with me through my week. Hopefully it's productive. I'm promising nothing, but I guess we'll see once the video is uploaded with that title. I did a thing, and the thing that I did is I figured out how to properly link links, commissionable links under my YouTube video. That's what I'm trying to do, is link the rest of the items right now. I'm very sleepy. Yeah, I finished making the thumbnail. Tell me if this is a good thumbnail or not. I'm kind of proud. I'm kind of proud. Let me know. What do you guys think? Do you like this? And like, would you click this if this was on your home feed? Honestly, if I don't see you after this, then happy Sunday. Thank you for working with me. Sorry if I'm in the same clothes as yesterday. I haven't been out the house. A new video went live, which is probably a video that's already up right now. Maybe I'll link it. Ooh, yeah. Watch it if you already haven't. Oh my God, I spent all this time trying to convert the footage that's horizontal into vertical formatting for Reels and TikTok. I'm trying to figure out how to basically connect everything and just make promo on every social media platform for every piece of content that I make on the other platforms, if that makes sense. So they can all be an ecosystem, yeah, so that when you find me here, you see her there. And when you see her there, you find me here. And when you find me here, you see her over there. A little behind schedule, even though I don't have a watch. What I'm gonna do right now is, I think I'm gonna film a clothing haul. Well, we'll see how much I get done today. I'm looking for a yellow bone, long-haired star, thick in the hips, come get in my car. Do you guys ever just bust out into TikTok audio when you start a sentence that reminds you of a TikTok audio? Sorry if I'm all over the place. And then once that's done, I have to go to the store. Once that's done, I have to go to the store and get the yams, because that's my Thanksgiving dish preparation. Hey guys, I just came back from Heb and I bought the things that I need to make for my Thanksgiving dish this year. This year I'm in charge of the yams. That's what I'm gonna make, but I don't have to make it until tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday, so Wednesday night I guess. And then Thursday is Thanksgiving. Hopefully I got all the right ingredients, and I'm really hoping that I don't have more ingredients than I need, like ingredients that we already had in the house. I had such a late start to today. I slept in a lot. I don't know what is wrong with me. I feel very tired today. So I'm gonna film the try on portion of the video that I filmed yesterday, and then I'm going to edit a video that should go up tomorrow. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I literally have so much to do today. And I also have to peel the sweet potatoes and make the yams today because tomorrow's Thanksgiving. Oh, and then after I film, I'm gonna go over to my parents' house and I'm gonna go visit my niece and nephew because they came from out of town. They're the cutest little beans ever. And we finna watch Bluey and suck on our apple juice pouches.
It's currently clear and 68 degrees. Expect thunderstorms starting at noon.
Okay, so I just took one thumbnail picture and it actually turned out really cute. So I'm happy about that. I'm gonna take you guys outside with me to try and get a second thumbnail picture. For waking me up this morning. Yeah, I'm here again. I praise you. That's why I praise you. Over here at Chick-fil-A.
For Amy?
Yeah.
Right, there we go.
Thank you.
Hi, Plaza.
We have secured the Chick-fil-A. Yeah, I'm vlogging in the car. Yeah, it's a thing. It's a thing. Y'all should know. People do this. Is it weird anymore? Oh, how do I get to my parents' house from here? I go that way. Is this the house full of beans? Hi, Sam.
It is.
Oh, I didn't know that it is. Lele! Hi, Dashi! Okay. Lele likes the applesauce I brought her. Yeah. Are you ticklish? I didn't know you were ticklish.
And he
Good job, Dash. Got it, Lele.
he's like 2, 11. It can't be in a lot.
This one. Yeah, you got it right here. Yes. Yay! This one, guys. Yes. Yay! Good job. Yep. Yay! Good afternoon. It's the next day. Today is Thursday. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I woke up at 8:30, drove over to my parents at 9, finished making the sweet potatoes, so they're probably ready by now because they went to serve at 2:30. After I made sweet potatoes, I came straight back home. I took a fat nap. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are you grateful for this year? I'm gonna name 3 things that I'm grateful for. I'm grateful for my family all being in the same place. I'm grateful for the new friends that I've made so far here, and I'm grateful for my health because I didn't get COVID this year. I didn't get monkeypox this year. I didn't die this year. Well, this year's not over, but hopefully I have not died this year. Okay, we're gonna go head over to the house now. Hey beans! Happy Thanksgiving!